Good morning student. This is class 10th math and today's third is the only way to learn the mathematics is to do the mathematics. Means if you want to make a perfection in a mathematics, then you have to do lot of practice based on the mathematics. So you can say that the only way to learn the mathematics is to do the mathematics. Now today's date is this is 27th of July 2021. And it is exercise 6.4 from coordinate geometry. This is question number 11. It is find the area of the triangle whose vertices are A comma B, B comma C and C comma A. You have given the vertices of triangle and you need to find out the area of triangle. Firstly see here, let ABC be the triangle whose vertices A is given A comma B, B is given B comma C and C is given this is C comma A. These are the three vertices of triangle ABC. You need to find out the area of triangle ABC. You know that what is the formula for area finding the area of triangle ABC. This is firstly in the previous video I told you how to learn the formula of area of triangle ABC. Only you have to learn 1, 2, 3 in cyclic order. What is the cyclic order? This is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2. What the digit 1, 2, 3 signifies here? The first digit involve the X and last two digits involve the Y separated by minus sign. So if you need to find out the area of a triangle, then area of a triangle is represented by area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 and this is 1, 2, 3. Firstly here see here 1 represent the X and last two digits represent the Y. So it is X1 y2 minus y3. Now this is 2, 3, 1 means taking out plus sign. 2 means this is x2 y3 minus y1 and this is 3, 1, 2. Hello beta. Now next one for formula this is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 and next one is x3 y1 minus y2. This is the area of a triangle when you have given the three vertices x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3. At the place of x1 this is A, at the place of y1 this is B, at the place of x2 this is B and at the place of y2 this is C and at the place of x3 this is C and at the place of y3 this is A. Now putting all the information in this one and you will find the area of triangle. The area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2. Here x1 is equal to A. X1 is equal to A. So this one A, y2 is equal to C. Y2 is equal to C. This is x1 y1. If you have problem then you can write down x1 y1, x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. You can write down. Now putting the value x1 means a y2 minus y3. Y2 is equal to C and y3 is equal to A. So it is C minus A plus x2. X2 is equal to B. X2 is equal to B. Y3 minus Y1. Y3 minus Y1 means A minus B. A minus B plus X3. X3 is equal to C. This is C. Y1 minus Y2. Y1 is equal to B and Y2 is equal to C. This is the area of triangle. Here we have to evaluate this. This is 1 upon 2 AC minus A square multiplying with A. This is AC minus A square plus AB minus B square plus BC minus C square. If you see that there is no element which are similar, so you have to write down it. This is 1/2 AB plus BC plus CA, taking out minus sign common. This is A square plus B square plus C square, and adding with square unit. Since you are taking the area, so in square unit. So the area of the triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 AB plus BC plus CA minus A square plus B square plus C square unit. Thank you, student.